Let me show you how to use Gemini AI in slides. If you're trying to integrate Gemini in order for you to create slides, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. Now, in order for you to integrate the offshore Gemini plan, you'll need to have a business plan or a premium plan of Google Workspace. Inside of the slides interface, you'll be able to see the icon of Gemini on the top right, which says Try Gemini. If you click on this, it's going to show you the different things that you can do with Gemini. Click on Try It Out, and it's going to open up different plans that you need to subscribe to. If you don't see this option on the top right, head over to one.google.com and make sure you select one of these plans. Once you've now selected one of these plans, you'll be able to use Gemini right here inside of the slides interface. Now, if you don't want to get a premium plan and you don't want to pay straight away, what you can do is use alternatives or extensions which are completely free. If you head over to extensions, click on Add Extensions, head over to Add-on and click on Get Add-ons. You need to search for GPT for Sheets, Docs, Forms, and Slides. This is an extension that also uses Gemini in its interface, so make sure you install this. Once this has been installed, you'll be able to find it inside of the extension section. You just need to click on Start, and it's going to show you a section where you can type in the presentation topic as well as add in the attachment or add in additional instructions. Once you add in your presentation topic and your additional instructions, you can now click on Next Step. Select the presentation type that you like, select your target audience and the presentation tone as well. So just select the options that you may need for your presentation and then click on Generate Outline. So that's the way that you use Gemini in Google Slides. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.